to integrate DeepSeek with Make.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate DeepSeek with Make.com to bring AI-powered automation to your workflows. Start by logging into Make.com and creating a new scenario. Search for the HTTP module since DeepSeek doesn't have a built-in app on Make just yet. Using the HTTP module, you can send API requests directly to DeepSeek's endpoints. To do this, you'll need your DeepSeek API key. Head to DeepSeek's dashboard or developer section, find your API key, and copy it. Then, in Make.com, use the HTTP module to create a post request. In the body, write a prompt or data that you want DeepSeek to process, like summarizing text or generating responses. You can continue or combine the setup with Google Sheets, Gmail, or Slack to create AI powered automations like summarizing customer emails or generating responses automatically. Even though there's no direct DeepSeek app yet, using Make.com's HTTP module gives you complete flexibility and power to use DeepSeek's in custom workflows. And that's how you integrate DeepSeek with Make.com.